Thank you, Susanto. That's the end of my Bahasa. Sorry for that. So from now on, it's, as my dear colleague Permana says, BBC or CNN now. I hope you're good with English or with my poor English. So I'm trying my best. So it's coming as a surprise. I tell you, I'm here now because Pali in the back there, the father of everything here, he was always complaining last week. Alex, you need to support AZ Pro. And I was like, how comes you think I don't support AZ Pro? And well, I thought like maybe if I visibly show up, then it shows more also physical support, not only mental and hopefully financial support as well to this. But I would also like to share why are we here and why are we doing AZ Pro. And you heard and you see that President Commissioner, not only Commissioner, but also President Director of Allianz Life here in Indonesia. And that has been only for the last year. So I came in last year and I found this company and I found it very exciting. And the first person, of course, I met is our most important partner, which is Pali. And then Pali, I was asking, what is it? So this country is huge. We have so many agents, but then the penetration for life insurance is so little. How comes? I don't understand. So first of all, the learning was very clear, very simple. As in many countries, we have 50,000 people, 50,000 Allianz Star Network members, but then they all chase one big dream, how to insure the rich. Because there is a belief, we sell a big premium, we get a big commission, that's easy, right? Do minimum, maximum output. But I tell you, insurance doesn't work like that, and I can tell you that because I come from a country which has a very high penetration, is thankfully very well off, because in Germany we have a much higher penetration, 15%, 20% of our population is well insured, and not only with one policy, with many policies. And you know what is the difference? The difference is our middle class is very, very strong. And the reason why Germany is the third largest economy by now in the world is simply because of the middle class. We have one of the strongest middle class. And our thinking was, so how can we get there? How can we get and insure the middle class and the lower middle class and below? Those who really need insurance, those who come in to the middle class, they work hard, like all of us, you here. You work probably every day, and you're not easily earning your money, right? But then you want to maintain that. So that's why it's so important. We need to focus on this middle class. We need to focus on those people who really need insurance. And the only way to get there was, in Indonesia, young people. Because the majority of the middle class are young people, are the future of Indonesia, the future graduates who are coming into the middle class. So we need a different dynamic in this. And Pali came up with this idea, AZ Pro, we called it differently at the very beginning, I think, but now AZ Pro sounds much better. And this is really a new model, a new system to come in, recruit people, recruit young people, and really see how we can give protection to those who really need. But yes, it needs a bit more effort. Yeah? We need higher productivity, we need more people, but that's the beauty of today, because I personally get the evidence. Today, how many people are we? 400? 500 people. We're doing this every day, and I heard we do this 3 times a day. So I'm very, very much appreciative of your efforts coming here today, and your interest in AZ Pro, and your support to AZ Pro, and the support towards the mission that we want to secure the future of Indonesians. And I must say, not only the rich ones. So don't quote me on that, but please, those who really need it. Yeah? So you saw the videos before, and what I like in the videos is the last statement. Allianz changed my life, so I hope Allianz will also change your life. And I wish you a great morning session and all the very best in future. And please join us in AZ Pro, and all the best. Good luck for the future. Thank you.
Disampaikan Pak Alex visinya mau memberikan perlindungan Bapak Ibu untuk seluruh lapisan masyarakat Indonesia, terutama yang middle low. Hal atau sesuatu yang hampir mustahil dilakukan sebelumnya. Ya, tapi Bapak Ibu sudah datang di tempat yang tepat. Di tempat ini dengan AZ Pro kita bisa memastikan hal itu terjadi. Penasaran Bapak Ibu? Penasaran? Beruntung banget hari ini kita akan mendengarkan presentasi langsung dari sosok yang luar biasa, yang begitu energik, begitu visioner, sang creator langsung dari AZ Pro. Kita sambut bersama-sama Mr. Benson Lee.
Terima kasih Hakim. Selamat pagi. Oke, selamat datang ke BSP AZ Pro. Ya. Hari ini mungkin kalau view bisa nangkap saya apa yang saya mau sampaikan. Ya, saya punya bahasa not that good. Kadang-kadang saya campur dikit ya bahasa Inggris ya. Tapi gampang dia lah. Oke, hari ini AZ Pro. Kenapa AZ Pro? Saya udah di bisnis 45 tahun. Mulai dari 21. Tuh, saya sekarang 66. Tapi masih semangat, ya. Oke. Dan setelah 45 tahun, saya rasa, saya lihat seluruh Asia, bukan Indonesia saja. Seluruh Asia, semua perusahaan asuransi, agent, cuma fokus di itu dikitnya 5% punya orang. Ya, punya duit, ya, bisa beli premi besar-besar. Puluhan juta, ratusan juta. Semua kata apa? Investasi, angka-angka, return. Yang 95% itu, tapi hari ini AZ Pro udah lahir di bulan depan, Mei 21. Mei 21, ya. AZ Pro punya slogan ialah no money, no problem. Nggak ada duit, nggak ada masalah. Bagus tak? Bisa kan? And then, asuransi bisnis ialah satu bisnis yang sangat profitable bisnis. Tapi gara-gara sebab kita, kuliah orang yang muda, di samping kita punya saudara, teman-teman, diri sendiri juga tidak ada duit beli kan? So pun tidak ada duit. Gimana mau jalan bisnis ini? Sebab itu, semua asuransi punya agensi cuma fokus di rekrut orang punya background. Bikin BSP seperti ini. Saya ajak Ciayu masuk. Jadi satu testimoni. Itu tahun 2021. Oke?
Tahun 2018 suami saya meninggal karena serangan jantung. Dan saat suami saya meninggal, dia meninggalkan income itu sebesar 100 juta per bulan atau 1 bintang. Tapi karena bisnis yang luar biasa ya Pak Li ya, yang dari bus, yang Pak Li klik itu yang begitu luar biasa, sehingga hampir 4 tahun lah ya suami saya meninggal, income yang tadinya 1 miliar per tahun itu naik menjadi 3 miliar per tahun. Dan sekarang saya sudah 3 bintang Pak Li. Dan saat sebelum menjalani bisnis asuransi, saya itu hanya seorang ibu rumah tangga yang tentunya tidak punya income sama sekali Pak Li. Dan sekarang sebagai seorang ibu rumah tangga saya mendapatkan income 300 juta per bulan. Pak Li, Acung ada di bisnis ini ya Pak Li, di bisnis yang sangat tepat, sehingga